10K trailer axle repair kit for 10,000 pound Dexter axles made before 07 of 2009. It comes with 16 swivel flange nuts, 2 of the outer bearing 25580, 2 of the 387A bearings, 2 of the 10-51 seals, 2 of the 3.5 inch self-adjusting brake assemblies, the passenger and the driver side, and 2 of the 10,000 pound hub and drums, along with 2 of the oil caps with the plugs and seals. This is a complete repair kit for your Dexter 10,000 pound axles made before 2009. Check it out, trailerpartsunlimited.com.